Are you looking for the best inkjet printers? In this video we will look at some of best inkjet printers. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 5. The HP Deskjet 2855. Our pick for the best budget inkjet printer. If you're looking for a compact yet reliable printer that won't cost too much, the HP Deskjet 2855 wireless color inkjet printer is a great option. Designed for small spaces like apartments and dorm rooms, this lightweight printer fits perfectly into your lifestyle. Despite its affordable price, the Deskjet 2855 offers a range of useful features. It has multiple print quality settings, including 600 and 1200 dots per inch, so you can print everything from vibrant photos to simple black and white documents. With print speeds of 5.5 pages per minute in color and 7.5 pages per minute in monochrome, you won't have to wait long for your prints. Connecting to the Deskjet 2855 is easy. Whether you prefer USB, Wi-Fi, or mobile and Bluetooth options, you can print from virtually any device using an easy-to-use app. Its user-friendly LCD screen and buttons make it simple to operate. Plus, the HP Deskjet 2855 is an all-in-one printer that lets you copy and scan with high quality. Investing in this versatile printer will help you stay productive and streamline your tasks. By choosing the Deskjet 2855, you're getting a printer that offers efficiency, convenience, and great performance for everyday needs. Up next in fourth place is the Number 4. Brother MFCJ 125W. Our pick for best inkjet printer for ink efficiency. If you're looking for a reliable and cost-effective solution for printing numerous documents, the Brother MFCJ 1205W investment tank wireless multifunction printer is definitely worth your consideration. Designed with budget-conscious users in mind, this printer delivers exceptional value with each ink cartridge yielding approximately 750 pages, an impressive figure that can significantly reduce your printing costs, especially when you're not frequently printing heavy graphics. Once you complete the straightforward setup process, you'll find this printer incredibly user-friendly. You can effortlessly manage your printing tasks from your computer, mobile app, or through intuitive onboard buttons. The print speeds are satisfactory at 9 pages per minute for color and 16 for monochrome. While color prints may not be vibrant enough for professional photographs, they are perfectly adequate for everyday documents. One of the standout features of this printer is its efficiency. It arrives equipped with a year's worth of ink, allowing you to tackle large batches of printing without interruption. When the time comes to replace the cartridges, the process is simple and hassle-free. With dimensions of 14.1 by 17.1 by 6.3 in and weighing only 12.3 pounds, it fits comfortably into most home or office spaces. Plus it offers versatile options for copying and scanning. The Brother MFCJ 125W is not just a printer, it's a smart investment for anyone who values both performance and affordability in their printing needs. Number 3. The Epson PictureMate PM400. Our pick for best inkjet printer for photo printing. With the Epson PictureMate PM400 wireless compact color photo printer, you'll experience the joy of printing your photos from the comfort of your own home, eliminating the need for store visits. This printer delivers professional-grade quality with an impressive maximum resolution of 5,760 dots per inch, ensuring your images not only look stunning but also have exceptional longevity. In fact, the prints are rated to last up to 200 years when kept in an album or framed correctly. You have the flexibility to print photos in two popular sizes, 4x6 or 5x7, perfect for a variety of personal projects, be it a cherished family album or artwork for your walls. The PM400 allows you to easily print from your computer, smartphone, or even directly from a wireless-capable camera, making it incredibly versatile for all your photographic needs. With a compact size of 9.8 by 15.1 by 7.9 in and weighing just 6 pounds, it fits seamlessly into your home. Without taking up too much space, its intuitive color screen and user-friendly buttons facilitate a smooth printing experience. In a world where digital memories are abundant, the PM400 empowers you to transform those fleeting moments into tangible keepsakes. So whether you're preserving joyful memories or creating heartfelt gifts, this inkjet printer is an invaluable addition to your home, ready to bring your photos to life with ease and durability. Number 2. Canon Pixma TR 7020A. Our pick for best inkjet printer for ease of use. The Canon Pixma TR 7020A all-in-one wireless inkjet printer combines ease of use with affordability, making it an excellent choice for your printing needs. Setting up your new printer is a breeze. Upon powering it on for the first time, you'll be guided through a simple setup and alignment process. You'll need to feed in 2 pages of paper and the printer will take care of the calibration. Once that's done, connecting to Wi-Fi using your phone, computer, or the Canon app takes just a few minutes. Most users find they're ready to print in about 5 to 10 minutes. You'll appreciate the small, clear display and intuitive buttons, which help streamline your experience. Plus you can control the printer through an app or with your voice if you connect it to Amazon Alexa. The Pixma TR 7020A features automatic double-sided printing and an auto document feeder for convenient handling of multiple pages when it's time to replace ink cartridges or adjust the paper size. You'll find these tasks simple with adjustable edge guides in the paper trays. With a print resolution of 4,800 dots per inch, you can expect impressive quality in your documents, and it delivers a print speed of 6.8 pages per minute for color and 13 pages per minute for monochrome. Connectivity options include USB, Wi-Fi, and Ethernet, ensuring you can print from various devices. Overall, the Pixma TR 7020A offers a reliable solution for scanning, copying, and printing, all in an accessible package. And finally, the number 1. The Epson EcoTank ET 2800. Our pick for best inkjet printer overall. If you're in search of a printer that is not only efficient and reliable but also user-friendly, the Epson EcoTank ET 2800 wireless color all-in-one super tank printer is an excellent choice for you. Designed to produce stunning, colorful photos, graphics, and documents, this printer stands out with its eco-fit ink bottles, which are ultra-high yield. With enough ink included for up to 2 years of regular use, you can enjoy uninterrupted printing without the hassle of frequent replacements. Imagine the convenience of printing thousands of pages each year. You'll appreciate the versatility of the EcoTank ET 2800, which connects seamlessly to your computer via USB or wirelessly through Wi-Fi. Plus you can print directly from your smartphone or tablet using a dedicated app. Navigating the printer is a breeze with its intuitive color touchscreen, physical buttons, or even voice commands when paired with Amazon's Alexa. Whether you need to copy, scan, or print, this all-in-one device simplifies the entire process. With print resolutions of up to 5,760 by 1440 dots per inch and speeds of 5 pages per minute in color and 10 in monochrome, the EcoTank ET 2800 ensures quality and efficiency for all your printing needs. Discover how this printer can enhance your home or office experience with its blend of performance and convenience. You will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which inkjet printer you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for future updates.